everyone, it's Danielle from Wales Sunshine Diamonds, and I wanted to give you a quick tip before I go out. See, I've got my earrings in, but these are a little bit different, and I can only wear good quality earrings, and these ones are not good quality. So, purification oil, put a little bit on your finger, drip it on your finger, and then put it on the end of the earring, like so, and then put it in the earlobe, and put the back of it on, and you're ready to go. And that will be okay for me to wear just for tonight, but I can't do it all the time. So, but just to get me through the night, I can wear some earrings a little bit different every now and then, and my ears won't feel the irritation. So have a great one. Bye.